Welcome to the channel. If you're tuning in, chances are you're battling a narcissist in court and finding yourself constantly questioning how they manage to manipulate their way through the system. You've watched them lie, deceive, and charm their way into favorable positions, leaving you drowning in attorney fees and feeling like the battle is never ending. But don't lose hope, I'm here to help you flip the script and turn the tables on them. So, let's dive right into it and explore how to make a narcissist panic in court. Understanding narcissists in court. Narcissists are master manipulators who excel at exploiting legal systems to their advantage. They know how to present themselves in the best light, charming judges, and bending the rules to keep you on the defensive. Their primary goal is to maintain control and appear superior, regardless of the truth or the consequences to others. It can be infuriating and exhausting to watch them manipulate the system, but with the right strategies and documentation, you can expose their lies and leave them vulnerable in the courtroom. Narcissists thrive on what is known as supply, the validation and attention that fuels their sense of superiority and control. I like to break down this concept into two distinct types, diamond-level supply and the dark underbelly of supply. Diamond-level supply is all about their public image, their reputation, prestige, and the facade they present to the world. This includes flaunting wealth, boasting about their high-status jobs, flaunting glamorous relationships, and, crucially, charming authority figures like judges. In court, this might look like them dressing impeccably, speaking eloquently, and playing the role of the model citizen or parent. They live for the applause, the admiration, and the power they feel when they can control the narrative. On the flip side, the dark underbelly of supply is rooted in their more insidious behaviors, manipulation, deceit, and the covert tactics they use to undermine others. This includes gaslighting, smear campaigns, passive aggression, and outright lies. They gain a twisted form of satisfaction from confusing, controlling, and hurting others, as it allows them to feel superior. However, the Achilles heel of a narcissist is their fear of exposure. If their perfect image is threatened, they can quickly abandon their dark tactics, scrambling to protect their reputation at all costs. Strategies to make a narcissist panic. The key to dealing with a narcissist in court is to systematically dismantle their carefully constructed image. It's not just about catching them in one lie or misstep. Your objective is to surround them with irrefutable evidence that highlights their consistent pattern of deceit and manipulation. To achieve this, specificity is your most powerful tool. Narcissists thrive on ambiguity, distortion, and gaslighting, so being precise in your accusations is crucial. Here are some strategies to help you make a narcissist panic in court. 1. Meticulous documentation. Keep a detailed record of every interaction, communication, and incident involving the narcissist. Emails, text messages, voicemails, and even social media posts can serve as invaluable pieces of evidence. Instead of making broad accusations, use these documents to present specific dates, times, and statements where the narcissist has contradicted themselves. For example, if they've told one story to the court but their emails reveal a different narrative, you can pinpoint exactly where and when they lied. The goal is to create a web of documented evidence that is so precise and overwhelming that the narcissist can't simply shrug it off with excuses like, "I didn't understand," or "I was confused." 2. The power of cross-examination. Cross-examination is your golden opportunity to dismantle the narcissist's facade in real time. It's your moment to ask precise, leading questions where you already know the answers and have the evidence to back them up. Narcissists often believe they can talk their way out of anything, but under the pressure of a well-prepared cross-examination, their confidence can quickly unravel. The key is to ask questions that force them into a corner. They can either tell the truth, rarely their choice, or lie and be immediately exposed by your evidence. For instance, if a narcissist denies a particular event that is well documented through texts or emails, present those documents after they've denied it. Watch as they squirm and try to backtrack. This is when their mask starts to slip. During this phase, stay composed and let the evidence do the heavy lifting. Narcissists are used to rattling their opponents, but by maintaining your calm demeanor, you allow their own lies to be their downfall. If they lash out or become visibly rattled, it only serves to reveal their true nature to the judge. 3. Leverage witness testimonies. Witness testimonies can be a powerful tool in your arsenal, especially when those witnesses are people the narcissist believes are still under their influence. This could include former friends, colleagues, or even family members who have seen their true colors. A well-prepared witness who can corroborate your documented evidence can significantly strengthen your case. Ensure that your witnesses are credible and that their testimonies align with the documentation you present. The goal is to paint a clear, consistent picture of the narcissist's behavior patterns. When a narcissist realizes that others are standing against them and affirming your claims, it can feel like a personal attack, something they are not equipped to handle gracefully. They may lash out, try to discredit the witness, or lose composure, all of which play in your favor. 4. Expose their patterns, not just incidents. Narcissists often operate by making each lie or manipulation seem like an isolated incident, easily explained away or dismissed. Your job is to connect the dots and present their behavior as a consistent pattern. Judges and juries are much more likely to see through a narcissist's tactics when they understand that these aren't one-off mistakes but a clear, repeated strategy of deceit and manipulation. Prepare a closing argument that not only summarizes your evidence but also highlights the narcissist's ongoing pattern of harmful behavior. Point out how their actions align with typical narcissistic tactics, gaslighting, charm offensives, and smear campaigns. Make it clear that their behavior isn't just unethical, it's intentional and harmful. The final push in court. As the court proceedings draw to a close, your final push should emphasize the broader implications of the narcissist's behavior. Reiterate how their lies, manipulation, and deceit are not just personal attacks on you but violations that harm the integrity of the legal process. Highlight the inconsistency between their public persona, diamond-level supply, and their manipulative actions, the dark underbelly of supply. Make a compelling case for why their behavior warrants not just a judgment in your favor, but potential sanctions for their deceit. Emphasize that the evidence you've presented isn't just about catching them in individual lies, it's about exposing a pervasive pattern of dishonesty that undermines their credibility entirely. By the end of your argument, you want the judge to see the narcissist not as a charming, misunderstood individual but as a manipulative, deceitful person whose actions are clear violations of trust and integrity. That's how you make a narcissist panic in court, the ultimate strategy to turn the tables on them. It's not about engaging in their games but about exposing the truth in a way that leaves them nowhere to hide. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies and tips on dealing with narcissists and navigating difficult legal battles. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you've had your own experiences or have tips for dealing with narcissists in court, please share them in the comments below. Your story could help someone else facing a similar battle. Remember, they only win if you give in. Today is the day to take control and start negotiating your best life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.